Welcome to the Crypto Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is October 15th, 2024, and we're diving into the latest happenings in the world of cryptocurrency and blockchain technology. As always, links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. TD Bank has been slapped with a hefty fine of over $3 billion for its failure to adequately monitor money laundering activities. This penalty is linked to transactions involving two unnamed cryptocurrency exchanges in Colombia and the UK. The Financial Crimes Enforcement Network, FinCEN, revealed that TD Bank facilitated over $1 billion in transactions tied to these exchanges, with a substantial amount originating from a UK-based crypto platform and directed to a Colombian financial institution. These transactions, averaging more than $100 million monthly, were primarily for third-party crypto trading in high-risk areas like Colombia and China. Despite the dubious origins of these funds, TD Bank continued processing them, including over $650 million from an international crypto exchange. This situation underscores the ongoing challenges in compliance and oversight within the banking sector, especially concerning cryptocurrency dealings. Ethereum's journey from proof of work to proof of stake, known as the merge, has been stable for nearly 2 years. However, there's room for improvement in areas like stability, performance, and accessibility for smaller validators. The article outlines 3 main goals: achieving single-slot finality, reducing the minimum staking requirement from 32 ETH to 1 ETH, and minimizing overhead for node operators. Single-slot finality would enhance user experience by reducing transaction confirmation wait times. Proposed solutions include better signature aggregation protocols and a 2-tiered staking system, each with its trade-offs. The article emphasizes the need for ongoing research to bolster Ethereum's resilience and efficiency. The Hyper Foundation has been launched to support the Hyperliquid blockchain and its ecosystem. Hyperliquid's decentralized exchange aims to revolutionize the financial system with deep on-chain liquidity across various assets. The introduction of Hyper EVM will enable applications to tap into this liquidity, enhancing financial performance and accessibility. A key feature is the native token, HYPE, essential for the HyperBFT proof-of-stake consensus and Hyper EVM. Users can participate in the Genesis distribution of HYPE and receive a commemorative Hyper NFT by accepting the Genesis event terms by November 11, 2024. The Foundation's goal is to make finance more efficient and accessible through innovative blockchain solutions. A thread by Decentralized Co. highlights the current challenges in blockchain technology, particularly data traffic congestion. It likens the situation to popular streaming services sharing a single bandwidth provider, leading to chaos. The Ethereum ecosystem is evolving to tackle these issues with a roll-up-centric roadmap that separates settlement, data availability, and execution. EigenDA, developed by EigenLayer, is a promising data availability solution boasting the highest throughput in its category, at 15 megabytes per second, far exceeding Ethereum's current rate. It features a robust trust model using a dual token system to mitigate data withholding attacks. EigenDA's high customizability allows rollups to set specific verification requirements, distinguishing it from other solutions. Google has removed Bitcoin and Ethereum price charts from its search results, sparking discussions among users. While these charts are still accessible via Google Finance, their absence in direct search results raises questions. Interestingly, Dogecoin's price chart remains available, indicating a selective removal. This change coincides with a reported decline in interest for Bitcoin and Ethereum, with search volumes dropping significantly. The highest search interest for Bitcoin is in El Salvador, the first country to adopt it as legal tender, followed by Nigeria. Google has not commented on the removal, leaving users to speculate on its implications. The Avalanche Foundation plans to repurchase 1.97 million AVAX tokens sold to the Lunar Foundation Guard, LFG, in April 2022 for $100 million, just before the Terra blockchain's collapse. The buyback will cost $45.5 million, significantly less than the original sale price, as the tokens are currently valued at $57.4 million. A repurchase agreement has been filed in a Delaware bankruptcy court and awaits approval. This move aims to prevent LFG from breaching the original agreement regarding the token's use and to shield them from bankruptcy liquidation complexities. The settlement will also help reduce litigation costs and preserve assets for creditors. That's all for today's episode of the Crypto Daily News. We hope you found these stories insightful and informative. Be sure to check the episode notes for links to all the articles discussed today. Join us again tomorrow for more updates from the world of cryptocurrency and blockchain. Until then, stay informed and stay secure.